What's up guys, Samsung's new Galaxy S phones will be unveiled on Feb 11th, right alongside the brand new foldable phone from the Korean smartphone maker. We are also looking at brand new names for those two devices, Galaxy S20 and the Galaxy Boom, instead of the previously expected Galaxy S11 and Galaxy Fold 2 monikers. Names aside, we already have a pretty good idea of what to expect from both phone series, and now a new leak might have just revealed full pricing details and a release date for the Galaxy S20 series. The Galaxy S20 has appeared in several reports and rumors in the past few months, and we already know what to expect in terms of design and specifications from the Galaxy S10 successor. The following table, put together by Phone Arena, offers us a great look at the main specification of the Galaxy S20 phones, and it's likely based on all those rumors. The table even lists the camera specification for all the three Galaxy S20 handsets, reminding us that the Galaxy S20 Ultra will probably be the only one S20 variant to support Samsung's first periscope zoom camera. Interestingly, Phone Arena also lists availability details for the three phones, claiming the Galaxy S20 will be released on March 6. While the release date makes sense considering that only Galaxy S generation also launched in early March in previous years. We have no idea where the blog's information came from, and it's not known for leaking information about unreleased smartphone. Prices are also listed in the table: $799 for the Galaxy S20, $999 for the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, and $1,099 for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. But once again, we have no idea whether we are looking at guesses based on last year's Galaxy S10 pricing structure on freshly leaked details. As we get closer to the Galaxy S20 launch event next month, we will learn more about all three handsets, including actual prices and the release date. So yeah, that's it for today guys. And now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.